How to stop sharing Instagram stories to Facebook. So let's first head over to Instagram. And when you try to create right here a story that you want, so for example, let's head over and then just post this as your story. So when you head over and then you can click on this settings icon right here. Don't click this your stories because as you can see, you have Facebook enabled right. Click right here on this arrow icon and then expand right here on your story and then click on this don't share this time. However, you can also change this sharing settings on your account center if you want. If you just want to turn it off one time, you can head over and then just choose this method. But if not, head over right here to your account center. Once you're on your account center, you can see this right here. So you can head over and reset your sharing profiles. You can also head over right here to your profiles as well, or this sharing across profiles. Then you can click on your right here on your Facebook. And then in here, you can see that this will post our Facebook story to our Instagram and vice versa, so you can head over and turn this off if you want. So that's how you stop sharing Instagram stories to Facebook. Hope we help.